tech tinkerers and pros alike. Unlock waveform wonders. These oscilloscopes pack pro features at killer prices. First, lead the pack with the FNIRSI DSO152 handheld oscilloscope at $79.99, delivering 150 MHz bandwidth across 2 channels. This pocket-sized digital powerhouse captures signals on the fly, perfect for hobbyists debugging circuits or field techs needing portability without sacrificing accuracy. Second, all-in-one mastery in the FNIRSI oscilloscope with multimeter and generator for $129.99. At 100 MHz, it combines oscilloscope precision, voltage testing, and signal generation. Streamline your workflow for electronics repair, prototyping, or education. Third, pro-grade performance from the Siglent Technologies SDS1202X at $499.99. With 200 MHz bandwidth and 2 channels, its high-resolution display and deep memory excel in complex analysis, essential for engineers handling high-speed signals. Fourth, solid choice, Hantek DSO2C10 digital oscilloscope at $249.99. 100 MHz, 2-channel storage for reliable waveform storage and playback, user-friendly interface for labs, workshops, or learning oscilloscope basics. Fifth, automotive heroes love the FNIRSI Oscilloscope Multimeter at $99.99. Handheld design tackles engine diagnostics with oscilloscope and multimeter functions, rugged, intuitive for quick vehicle troubleshooting.